In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to set up customer account in Shopify. By default, Shopify hides customer accounts for new stores. Let's turn them on and set them up properly. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click settings from the bottom left corner, then click customer accounts. Now turn on the sign in links toggle. This will show the login link in the store header and at checkout. Next, choose the account type. Select customer accounts for passwordless login using a one-time code sent to email, or choose legacy for the traditional email and password login. If you use apps like customer fields, go with legacy for better compatibility. Scroll down to customer account section. Here you can enable self-serve returns and store credit. Use these to let customers manage returns or see store credits. At the bottom you will find a URL. Copy this link to add a login button anywhere in your store menu or footer. Once done, close this window and go to your themes and preview your theme here. And you can see the login link is here in the header. That's it, your customer accounts are now live. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.